Hello guys! What's inside those bags?
We're going to open up your gifts. This one is from who?
This is from Daddy and this is from Mommy.
So we're going to open up Daddy's gift first.
Okay.
Let's put this aside. So what's inside?
Wow!
What's that?
Pony gun.
Pony gun, bubble gun. Show them.
Pwede ba i-drink?
No, you can't drink that. Show them. Okay, what will you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pwede iput dito sa sa maker.
Yes.
Para mag-blow ng bubbles. Ayun na. What's inside
What's
next?
inside? We're gonna open up the next
Oh.
box.
Wow, Kinder Joy.
Where's a Kinder Joy?
Inside.
What's that?
It's mine. Meal.
Mail?
From Santa.
Okay.
Santa.
Mommy.
Let's open it later. What's inside?
Another one.
Another one. What's that?
Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy.
Can we open it?
Later. We have to open another box.
This one.
Yes, what's that?
It's order.
Order from
Shopee.
Shopee.
Shopee.